going on YouTube? Filthy RC, bringing you my Losi 5T 2.0 Taylor RC 65 Supreme. She's getting there, she's coming close. I just put the arms on. Behind me are the carbon fiber Bonehead RC. You can't see them, they're on there. Behind that, plastic. Made it as strong as possible. Everything yellow and black. I might do just a couple aluminum pieces. Silver, maybe the steering. And maybe not. We'll see what happens. She's coming along. She's getting there. I love when I put these things together and I start to see them become a car or a truck for this matter. She's coming along good. I love this yellow and black. This is Taylor RC 65 Supreme. I don't know where the badge is over there. You can't really see it. But 65 Supreme 5T 2.0. She's getting there. I just wanted to bring you guys a short clip, short video. I just got to get the center diff carrier, all the drive line, dog bones, drive cups, out cups, shocks, bumpers, side skirts, and then I gotta mock this radio tray up. I'm gonna get the carbon fiber one. I'll somehow put that into it somehow. Run the kill switch and body, all that good stuff. So yeah, she's getting there. She's looking pretty good. RC Max, Taylor RC. She's pretty. I like the yellow and the black. So yeah, we're getting there. Almost done. I'll bring you guys another video as I get the drive line, the center diff in, some wheels on it. So it should be a roller. And I have another motor coming from Taylor RC. You'll see it in hopefully another week. I'm sure Mike Taylor will post it up. Special paint scheme hasn't been done yet. I'll be the first. Hopefully everybody follows, because this paint scheme is going to be super. I can't wait to see it. And stay tuned. Coming out with some more. Taylor RC, Filthy RC, 65 Supreme, Losi 5T. Coming soon.